Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics, where we are making new imaginings. And we are still on product rule of differentiation. Okay, let's get on to this problem and see what we are going to have at the end. And if this is your first time of you coming across this channel, please make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit. Now, we are on example 3. It reads, if y is equal to x squared tan x, then we have to find dy upon dx. Let's get on to it and see. Now the first step, let's say solution. Now we say solution. Now since we are given y is equals to x squared tan x, this is what we are given. And we know if this is product rule, we say this is our u and this is our v. Okay. Then after which, let's try to differentiate the differential of u and v. That is this u and this v. Now, if we are to differentiate u, we say du upon dx. Then differentiating to x square, automatically you're going to have 2x. Okay. Now we have differentiate u. Let's also differentiate v. Okay, this one becomes 4 because you're going to multiply 2 times 2 giving you 4. This one giving you 4x. Then the next step, let's just try to differentiate also tan x. That is v. We say dv upon dx. This is equals differentiating tan. Since this is trigonometric function, if you have to differentiate tan, it means you're going to have sec square x. This one becomes sec square x. This is what you're going to have. Always, if you are differentiating tan, you're going to have sec square x. Okay, differentiating u, you're going to have 4x. Now let's just recall. We say recall that, meaning we are coming to use the formula now. We know the formula stated as, we say dy upon dx is equals u dv upon dx, okay, plus v du upon dx. So this is formula that we have to use to differentiate this one. Now let's just substitute. What is u? And we know u already given us 2x square. We say this is 2x square into what is dv upon dx. We already differentiating as sec square x. We say sec square x. Okay. Plus what is v? V is tan. This is tan x into what is du upon dx? Du upon dx is 4x. Okay. It continues. Now if you have to multiply to x square into sec square x, you're going to have to x square sec square x. But from this point, let's just recall from trigonometry. Let's say from trig identity. Let's say from trig identity. Let's see what we are going to have. From trig identity, we say if you are having, if sec square x, this is equals 1 upon cos square x. Okay. Similarly, tan, we know also tan x is also equals sin x upon cos x. So these are the basic things in trigonometric identity. Sec square x is equals 1 upon cos square x, and tan x is also equals sin upon cos x. After which we substitute now. Instead of sec square x, we replace it with this one. Now we have 2x square into, instead of sec square, we have 1 upon cos square x. Okay. Plus, instead of tan, we already simplifying it as sin x upon cos x into 4x. Okay. Now it continues. Now we multiply now. Now if you are multiplying, in this case, you're going to have this one becomes 2x squared divided by cos square x plus multiplying this one, you're going to have 4x sine x divided by cos x. Then the next thing that we have to do here, we collect our, let's just try to find our LCM in this case. Then if you find your LCM, automatically we see our LCM here becomes cos square x. Our LCM becomes cos square x. Okay. Then if cos square x cancel cos square x, what will remain? We say 1 times 2x. This one giving you 2x square. Then plus how many times cos square x goes into cos square x. So what will remain here is it is cos square x that will remain. Then what are we to do? We say this is cos square x and into this one becomes 4x sin x. Okay, this what will remain. Now the next step that we have to do in this case, we try to simplify. Okay, now having gone through this step, now what are we to do? We multiply this. Let's multiply. Now we have this is 2x square plus multiplying this one, you are going to have this one becomes 4x sin x cos x sin x cos x, then everything becomes cos square x. Okay, now the next step, let's factorize here. We want to make this one look like this. Now we have this is 2x square plus, then if you are taking 2x outside like this, what do you think will remain here? Just like we want to factorize, this one becomes 2 sin x cos x. Okay, then we divide everything by cos square x. Okay, now from this point, let's say it continues from this point, then we have now we have 2x square plus 2x into 2 sin x cos x, then we divide everything by cos square x. Now from this point, we know from trigonometric also, if you have 2 sin x cos x, we know this is equals sin 2x. Okay, now instead of this, we replace it with this one. Now this one becomes 2x square, meaning this one plus 2x into, instead of 2 sin x cos x, we already simplifying it as sin 2x. We say sin 2x. Okay, then everything becomes, we divide everything by cos square x. Then from this point, we multiply. This one becomes, let's multiply. We have 2x square, okay, plus 2x times this, you're going to have 2x sin 2x. Okay, then we divide everything by cos square x. Okay, so this is what we are asked to find in respect to the problem that we are given. Our answer then becomes 2x square plus 2x sin 2x divided by cos square x. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit. Love you more.